Hi guys, Myles Alfama back for another mail video. So today in the mail we got this this box. I don't know who it's from, but we'll have to wait until we find out. And this is not a sponsorship. If you guys are watching this video, and if you guys guessed who it was, you guys get a shout out in the next PO box video. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, notification bell, share with friends who are new, and subscribe. And also go check out these guys who made this this item. So if you have any guesses, let me know in the comments. And if you guessed correctly, as I said, mentioned before, you get a shout out in the next PO box video. Hopefully this item works. So it is not from anybody I know. This is not, and I said before, this is not a sponsorship, but I got so the story behind all of this is that I won a giveaway on Twitter from RazorFishGaming. If you guys don't know RazorFishGaming, he is an amazing YouTuber. He has his own star code and etc. So I won one of his giveaways. So can you guys guess what it was? If you guys remember from my Twitter Twitter timeline or tweets, I said OMG I won or something like that, right? So this is the winning item. So sadly, Razorfish couldn't give it to me fully, but the company who made this this thing sent me one for free because they guess they didn't have no intentional third-party actions or anything on the email I got. So yeah, it's kind of a bummer, but yeah, let's open this box, shall we? And hopefully I didn't show anything. No, I didn't. Hopefully. All right, so let's open this thing up, shall we? Let's see what we got in this box. So let's find out. I'm opening it from the other way because I don't want to leak any personal information. So yeah, if you guys want to send me any PO box stuff like this, please send it to my mail address. I'll put that in the description as well in this video. So yeah, if you guys disclaimer, if you send me any box bigger than that in the PO box down below, please send it to the postal service so then I can get it from there. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I opened it the right way. That's good. Alright, here we go. So on the box it says transforms your iPhone into the next level gaming device. Do you guess who it is? If you guys guessed, or here, I'll give you guys a clue. It's a part of our body. It's not our spine, it's our... If you guys guessed what I meant, let me know in the comments. So, and if you guys get it correctly, you guys get a shout out. So, if you guys guessed backbone, you are correct. We got a gaming controller from Backbone, and I guess because this is an open box, I guess someone already used it and someone tested it and seen if it was working. But yeah, this is from Backbone. If you guys don't know what Backbone is if you see an ad on my YouTube channel, or if you see an ad before the video or anything, this is what it is right here. So it is a gaming controller for your phone. So it's kind of like a Switch kind of thing. So yeah. So let's take it out of the box and see if it works. So hopefully, fingers crossed, if it works. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So they sent me one of their Backbone devices for their phone, for your phone. So you can put it on any phone. I'm pretty sure it's for. So it says on here, right here, when the video is flipped, you will see that there's a lot of phones you can attach to it. I guess it's only for iPhone, I'm guessing. Sorry for Android users. But yeah, this company is really cool. I've seen their ads a bunch on YouTube. I heard you get like 3 months free of Xbox something membership, some 3-month membership for Xbox or something. So that's pretty neat. It says, let's see. It says, friends played with your arch enemies, and enemies played with your grandma, play with your brother. I don't have brother. I'm a single being. I'm a single being. And this also says played with your boss, played with your neighbor, played with your crush, really, backbone, really, and then played with your long lost someone, but it got cut off, so we don't know what it says, but yeah. Alright, so let's see what's inside. So here's the box. It says backbone on it, so let's see if this works, hopefully. Alright, let's see. Moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. And this is what's inside the box. We get the gaming controllers, we get the instruction kit, I guess, and I think that's it. So I'll throw a video of how to download the app right here. Alright, so I chose my name. It's going to be my Twitter name. So right here will be some gameplay of me playing Asphalt 9 on the backbone. It is really good. My gameplay does lag a little bit, so sorry if it does buffer a little bit, but enjoy some Asphalt 9 on 1080p, 60 frames per second on my phone, recorded by my backbone. So hope you guys enjoy it. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much the product. But thank you guys so much for watching. Backbone, thank you for sending me this. Thank you, Razor, for letting me win a giveaway of yours. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, I messed up again. Like, subscribe, notification bell, share with friends you're new, and also comment if you guys guessed correctly. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like is appreciated, or I already said that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out Backbone. They have a bunch of videos on YouTube, or you can see their ads usually. You can get 3-month something from Xbox, I'm guessing, apparently. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next P.O. Box video or live stream. And rip me, I only have 17 days of summer break until college starts of recording this while recording this video. But yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.